Assalamualaikum, good afternoon, and salam sejahtera to everyone whom I respect, uh, who are kind, and whom I love. My name is Nur Aini binti Ali. I come from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. This afternoon, I want to share with you about update. Yeah, I'm going to update about mining pi. So before I go further, I would like to advertise about Midas Funnel. Yeah, Midas Funnel is a database collector, email marketing system, and autoresponder. Here is the official URL, yeah, and official introductory link, so you can use it, yeah. And we go direct to MinePi, mining pi. All right, so we go here. All right, so my before video, I explaining about what is mining pi, and there is somebody question me, what is my invitation code? Yeah, my invitation code. If you can see the link in there. All right, there is a written bless Nor. So that is my invitation code. So at any time when you do the install MinePi, you can put bless Nor. Yeah. So I go direct. So there is some question about mining Pi. Yeah. So here is the disclaimer. Pi is not free money. You have to remember that. Pi is not free money. It is a long-term project whom success depend on the collective contributors, yeah, of its members. So that means it depends on all of us, yeah. It depends on all of us. So if you want to read all this, you can just read and click in here, so you will get all the answer. All right. So this is about the pi, yeah. So what is a pi? Okay. Okay, what is Pi? Pi is a new cryptocurrency for and by everyday people. Yeah. So you same also. You can read more and click in here, so they will explain to you. What is cryptocurrency Pi? Yeah. So another thing is this is always a familiar question. Yeah. Is this real? Is Pi a scam? Okay, the answer, Pi is not scam. It is a genuine effort by a team of standard graduates. Yeah. So from there, sorry, I'm mixing my Malay. So Pi is genuine. So you can read in here everything, yeah, about if you have a question about Pi, you can read in here. All is in here, and if you want this, you can just click read more, and they will explain to you everything. Yeah. So this is about mining pi. So look here, many of us have lost the opportunity 2 times, so this is a third time. Yeah. So the first one is Bitcoin, all of us miss. Okay. The second one is Ethereum. Also the same, all of us miss. Yeah. So because we are so much of skeptical, we always thinking is scam and many things more. Yeah. But Bitcoin is already 12 years in the market. 12 years. Yeah. Even though Ethereum is I think more than 10 years or 8 years. Yeah. So take this opportunity with Pi. Okay, it could be this is the time for all of you to become a millionaire. All right, so you will become a millionaire. All right, so just take this opportunity. It could be this year, it could be next year. Yeah. So on the description, I'm going to write today. Yeah. on the description how is the step and how you want to install the Pi mining in your mobile. Yeah, that's one. The second one, you can follow me at Legend Crypto Nor. I already give some description, some explanation about what is a Pi, so that you can read in English. Yeah, and then you can you can use that article, all right, you can use and to give to all your friend that you want to invite. But don't forget please write your own link. Yeah, after you register you have your own link, so you write your own link and then you write your own invitation code. All right, so find a nice invitation code. It could be, you can say, I don't know, maybe amazing pie, yeah, or amazing crypto, or anything that you like. You can put your invitation code. So when the link come out, it will have your invitation code too. Yeah. So you can follow that article. You just change to your own link and your own invitation code. All right, so you can follow me. I will write on the description how to follow me in the legend, sorry, on the legend crypto nor, because I changed it from pro to legend. All right, so now is legend crypto nor, so you can follow me. And I'm going to put the link also so that you can join me in Telegram. All right. So others than that, I don't have. Okay, for at this moment, yeah. So anything, only one thing that you need to be careful. Yeah, one thing. There is a copycat outside there. Yeah. So you have to be very careful to check it out whether it is genuine or not, and one. And then the second one, it is very very important for you to verify. Please verify your phone numbers, and also you can verify it with your Facebook. Yeah, so that if let's say something happened to the system like last month, yeah, because they are doing the upgrading and testing the system. So if something happened when after, if you already verified, you will get back again all your pie, so you don't need to worry. Yeah, so this is the second one. And the third one, I just want to wish all of you, yeah, successful in mining pi, and happy mining pi. All right. So that's all for today. I would like to say thank you once again to all of you whom I respect, who are kind, and whom I love. And once again, my name is Noraini binti Ali. I come from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And please don't forget, like, subscribe, and press the bell button. That's all for me for this afternoon, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye bye.